Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back like bang da da dang. If it's your first time, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for more videos. So this video is gonna be like a chit chat kind of video. I just thought we should put all the tutorial video aside and do something extremely different. So I'll be telling you guys 10 random facts about me. The first one is, guys, there's hardly a food I don't eat. I can't even think of any food I don't eat right now. My favorite food is beans and plantain. Give me beans and plantain anytime, any day. I'll finish everything. Like I will chop and finish. The second is I don't like watching TV. I just don't sit down at home and decide to watch TV. Except I'm out with my friends, so I'm like a social TV watcher. And then I'll probably watch music videos instead of movies. Yeah. Number 3, I hate dogs. I despise them. I don't like them. Don't even ask me why, because I just hate dogs. The fourth one is I'm a shy person. I'm a very shy person. Yes, I could be very, very shy, especially when I'm meeting you for the first time. But when I get comfortable, be ready for my bobo de bobo everything. So I can be very reserved when I'm with people I'm not really used to. I'll just be there on my own and then I'll just be like a baby. I love flowers. They're so pretty, they're so beautiful. I love flowers, and I can recall one time my boyfriend was probably too excited and then he asked me what I wanted. I said flowers, and then he goes, why don't you want like a phone or money or whatever? But at that moment, it's not like I don't like the money or I don't like the phone, but at that moment I just felt like I want flowers. Yeah, I really love flowers. I don't take alcohol. I don't take alcohol at all. Even when I'm out with my friends, sometimes they want to be like, oh please, just have a taste and all of that. But no, I can't deal with it. Even if I take something, you miss something in my drink and it tastes like alcohol, I might just, I can't. I just can't. I don't take alcohol. My favorite song at the moment is Perfect by Ed Sheeran. I'm the lovey-dovey kind of girl, so give me the song anytime, any day. For me, darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I don't know how to ride a bicycle and it's so sad. I remember when I was young, I tried riding a bicycle, but I fell down. My ass on the floor like so, but I really wish I had learned properly how to ride a bicycle. The 9th one is I am fashion obsessed. Like, I'm up to date, man. I do everything to look good. Yeah, I just started to take my glasses off because I'm going somewhere after this video and I don't want to have the glasses thingy over here. So that's it. Number 10 is I got dimples. So guys, that's all for today's video. I really enjoyed this one because it was just like conversation. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment down below what video you'd like to see on my channel, and then I'll put my best into it to make it happen. And yes, I feel so comfortable with lipstick today, like bang. Check me out, guys. What y'all think? So bye guys, love you all.